Here we have three really nice, knives. They're called China Hunters. We have the blue speckled, green speckled, and the red speckled. These are really nicely made knives. Very nice blade, 440 stainless, satin finish. Very nice contour, drop point. No wobble to this. This knife, there's a surprise to this knife, so watching carefully. You have your folder, liner lock, or you can thumb snap it, or hopefully you can flick it. But the real beauty with this is the hidden release. This is happens to be a switchblade. As you can see, no button, but you press there, the hidden release, and automatic. Very nice knife, good snap, very, very good weight. It's probably about 8 ounces. Nice handle, really nice action. This one is definitely going to be one of these, a keeper for me.